underneath is underside or situated below. Okay, there's a what underneath his foot, which means underside. The money changed hands underneath the table, which means underside the table. There is another meaning for this. Underneath, it's partially or wholly concealed, especially the garment. I could see your shoulder underneath the shirt, which means I could see the partially or wholly concealed body part underneath your garments. So that's all about underneath. Next is underpants. Underpants is undergarments, especially of men or boys. Okay, pant is usually believed to be worn by boys. Next is underpass. Underpass is you are able to pass a road, or it's basically a pedestrian tunnel passing under a road or railway. Okay, it could be a underpass road, or it's usually when it is underpass, on top of it there will be a road, so the underpass is covered with a tunnel, so it's a pedestrian tunnel passing under a road or a railway. Underpay is you're paying too little than the original thing. They are underpaying the workers, which means pay less than the due. Okay, or you're paying less than how much you have to actually pay. Underpaid tax, which means for you should pay the tax correctly, but you're just underpaying. Usually people, the bosses will do to the laborers, the employees, and the employees will again do to the government. It's like vice versa they are doing actually. Underpin, a pin is used for support. Yeah, you just pin it up. A safety pin is used for support. Similarly, underpin is also as a support to form the basis. Okay, partnership, underpin the money, which means partnership supports the money. Okay, support especially the building by more strong foundation is also underpinned. The building is underpinned with the pillars, which means basically pin or underpin anything is for support. Next is underpopulated, very small population. Okay, underpopulated Australia, they for the land area they could have more people, but there is less people. But India is overpopulated. For a particular land only this many people should be there, but they are building flats over flats over flats, and they are adjusting people, so it's overpopulated. Underprivileged is privileges. I have the privilege like honor, something like that. But underprivileged is for you're not even able to survive the normal, privileged, or not even the regular need is satisfied. So basically it's they're not their needs are not met, and they're not peaceful, so they are needy and in distress. Okay, the underprivileged people need help, especially during this corona season, as there is no chance of income. Undercoat is, I undercoated. The undercoat is like you quoting for a money, but you're not quoting for the correct capability. Basically you're quoting money for your skills in a job. Okay, I underquoted the job and now no money. Okay, so which means they give too low estimated cost for a service or a commodity. So I do a service for you, but I deliberately may underquote it, so eventually it's bad for me. So quoting here is quoting the money. Underrate is underestimate. I underrated the movie, but it is an awesome movie. I underestimated or I underrated the movie. That is an awesome movie. Now next is underscore. Underscore is the horizontal line on the base, not in the middle hyphen, the horizontal hyphen touching the line. So it is also same like the underline. It is also used to emphasize or an important thing. Okay, they underscored their work. Okay, or the actress underscored her acting skills in the interview. Next is undersea. Okay, that is situated down below the sea surface. There are undersea cables that are laid, but that is sometimes causing disturbances to the sharks. Next is under seal. This seal is a waterproof coating, especially it is in the motor vehicles, under the underside of the motor vehicles, used as protection against the rust. So basically they touch the underside of the motor vehicle, that is touching near the tire, touches the water when traveling in the road, so they get rusted. So they have given a under seal, they have sealed it. All right. Next is undersell. Obviously selling under price, selling in a lower price. Sell something at a lower price than a competitor, just for profit. For example, I would say in Pandian stores, Meena's father is underselling just to get the market, just to attract the people's mind and make them regular. At one point they cannot avoid the shop even when they oversell or even they sell normally. Okay, so now he is underselling. Another underselling meaning is value the give value insufficiently, promote or value insufficiently. By putting her disabilities high on the CV, she is underselling herself. You have so many good qualities, but if you're highlighting, not telling that, and if you're highlighting, yeah, but I'm seriously not able to speak properly, or if you're telling about your weaknesses, like in a job, to get a job, if you say so many weaknesses, they say, okay, this money, I think she deserves less money. So when you say weakness to get a job, you are underselling yourself. Okay, undershoot, the same word I learned in the previous video also. Undershot is underhang, something that is hanging. Yeah, undershoot is also the same meaning. You're shooting in the air or something, because undershoot is fall short of a target. The figure undershot government's, the figure means the money undershot government's original estimate, which means the government made an estimate, and finally when they finished the work, the actual money spent was actually they were not able to achieve the target. I mean, more money was spent, or they wanted to achieve more but only less money was achieved, something like that. Or an aircraft land short of the runway. In underhang, we also saw the wheel that is being rotated by the water wheel. So all those for undershoot or for underhang. Next is underside. Underside obviously is the bottom or the lower side. The wings of the butterfly has a pattern underside. Okay, our underside is armpit, but the butterfly underside has a beautiful pattern. Okay, less favorable aspect is also underside. The underside of her glamorous life, which means outwardly they are very glamorous, just like the armpit. The underside of her glamorous life is different. She had problems with her husband and family, etc. And next is undersigned. Undersigned is you're signing something, but not you're signing for yourself. Someone else is signing for yourself. Okay, so something like that. The signatory and co-signatory to the document in question, or we the undersigned wish to protest. This is usually happens. People undersign basically usually in the money related businesses or something. So basically all you have to know is undersign is you're signing for someone else. As assurance. Undersized is less than the usual size. Undersized cups may not survive the winter because they are undersized. Next is underskirt, or skirt worn under another the actual dress. That is, it is also called a petticoat or chemise, etc. Understaffed, yeah, it is provided with too few staff members to operate efficiently. Okay, the departmental store is understaffed and overworked. The urban supermarket, yeah, literally they are understaffed. They have no people in the billing counter, and one person has to jump from this to there. So they are understaffed and overworked. Understand is like you comprehend it. He liked to play, that was understood. And also it is sometimes appreciate and aware. The painter understood the colors. Okay, next is some again understanding. This is comprehend, or it is comparison. He took care with understanding. Oh no, sorry, it's not comparison, it's compassion and feeling. Okay, that is also understanding. He took care with understanding and love. He took care of his elder parents with understanding and love. So it's just like compassion and the feeling. Understate is also you're stating low. Okay, describe smaller than it really is, not do justice to. Okay, they understated the problems. Actually, your daddy is leaving us and going to Ujjain. This is a big problem, but in my family everyone is understating the problem. They are saying that it's okay, you can stay with the children, it's your lockdown, you're sitting inside, but who God knows this small one is putting me in great trouble. So that is understate. Next is understory, is the layer of vegetation between the trees and the shrubs. There is so many words for this. Vegetation, usually we had the underbrush or the undergrowth or understory. Usually the storied building, 3-storied, 4-storied building we have seen, but the trees are also just like the stories. It's very tall, so under that tree things are growing, so we are calling it understory. So storied, where you think wherever you have heard story, you know the story, and also the building. So what is that something tall like the building would be the tree, so it is growing under There's a layer of vegetation between trees and shrubs. Okay, understudy. Understudy is you study the books. Yeah, you basically study a person because you want to act like that person, because it's like the substitute. He has played as understudy to the actor. In theatres, basically, in theatres, a person who learns another person's role in order to be able to act at short notice in their absence. For example, the Mullai in Pandian Stores, she passed away committing suicide, and suddenly someone has to understudy her character. Later, the Tamila, someone from Bharati Kannamma replaced her story. So she understudied Mullai's character. That is understudy. Basically, you learn another role in order to replace them in their absence in a short notice. Okay, so next is undersubscribed. Your subscription fans are very low. Okay, so it is a share or course with few applications is also undersubscribed. The ECE department is undersubscribed, whereas there are more seats, but the students are less opted for that particular course in the college. The company shares are undersubscribed, which means basically there are more seats. The theatre is undersubscribed, the movie is undersubscribed, which means there are more seats but only few people are going, something like that. Next is undertake. Undertake is pledge to do something. Okay, the driver undertakes that he is skilled as a driver, so he is pledged. Okay, I undertake an oath, something like that. Accept. Basically, he was asked to undertake the work. He was asked to accept the work. In British, we say overtake, right? We overtake a vehicle when we are riding, when we want to go ahead. But in British, they don't say the overtaking inside, inwardly in the wrong side or something is also called undertake. Okay, he undertook me. So overtake is in the right side, overtaking to pass a person. Undertake is you're overtaking inside. So which could be a wrong thing, I don't know for sure. Next is an undertaker. Undertaker is a funeral director. Okay, he undertakes the tasks of a funeral. Next is undertaking is the task taken. Okay, obviously I have undertaken that job. So undertaking is task taken. The enterprise. I know I don't know whether the QMAT coding for Shireen is a risky undertaking. Okay, that is a task taken by me for her. I don't know whether it is a risky undertaking with the baby and daddy is the Mujjain. I don't know. Next is the business of a funeral management is also called undertaking, undertaker. Everything is related to the funeral thing. Okay, or it is pledged to do something. I give an undertaking that I will do it. Okay. I wish Shireen would take an undertaking. I want her to take a pledge that mommy, I will undertake all the cleaning work of the house today. The mess, I will clean up the mess made by the baby. I want her to undertake the pledge, but she is not doing it. Undertone. Tone is the voice or sometimes a skin tone. But what is undertone? Yeah, the voice, right? Undertone is you're like in the speaking in the low voice, like whisper. We talked in undertone, which means we just whispered. Okay. Underlying quality or feeling. So I told the skin, the color of the person, but inside the mind. Okay, outwardly we look something else, but inwardly we could be something else. So underlying quality, the inward feeling. It's also called, I think, undercurrent is also the same thing. And underlying for now I think undercurrent also means the same. Undercurrent, and now it is the undertone. Undertone and undercurrent both means the same. The underlying qualities of feeling. Okay, she is affected by strong dark undertow, which means she is affected by the stories dark under, not affected by the strong, sorry, it is not, she is affected by strong dark undertow. She is affected by the story's dark undertone, which means the story has a very negative part, and she is just affected by the why the lead character is affected by the disease or something. She is just affected by that undertone. Next is undertow. It is another term for undercurrent. What? Yeah. So undercurrent, undertone, undertow. Yeah, undertow is your toe or something. Yeah, it is undercurrent. Okay, the current of water. You keep your toe in the water, but the surface of water is flowing in one direction, but the inside the water it is flowing in the another direction. Current of water below the water surface and moves opposite direction from the surface current. That is undertow. Also, The implicit feeling underlying the superficial expression. Okay, she has a Hindu thoughts undertone inside undertowed by the Christian exterior, something like that. Okay, so undertow, undertone, and undercurrent. Your current, you're touching the current, or you're keeping your toe, or your voice. What? Your hand is touching a current, your leg is keeping on the water, toe is keeping on water, or your tone. So 3 things. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Undervalue is rate too low. The value, you're rating it too low. The energy of youths are undervalued by older generation. Shireen, I'm so sorry, I undervalued you and underestimated, or I underrated your energy. I'm so sorry. Also, the price below the real value. It was sold at an undervalue. So basically, the money, or your just thought process, you're just underestimating someone, is also called undervalue. Next is underwater. Underwater is beneath the water. There is underwater volcano in USA of loan having a balance that exceeds the current market value of the loan is also called underwater. So the underwater mortgages. Okay, so when you are keeping that, when you want money, you keep your jewel to someone to get the money, but sometimes after some point of time the money will be very much exceeding, so you will suffer to pay back. So that is called underwater. You have kept your jewels in underwater, so you cannot gain it back, something like that. What? Gaining a jewel under the water, is it hard in USA? I don't know, but it is called underwater in USA. Next is underway of a boat moving through the water, or no time was lost in getting underway, which means you don't go by road, you go by boat in water. Or it is having started and it is in progress. Okay, recruitment is well underway. Underway means it's just going on, it's underway, it's half underway. The church is already half underway, which means it's started and it's going on, so I don't want to go inside now. Next is underwear. Underwear is clothes worn under other clothes, typically next to the skin. Okay, it's like the underclothes or undergarments or underwear. Next is underwood. Underwood is small trees and shrubs growing beneath taller timber trees. The second crop was of underwood. So basically underwood, underbrush, undergrowth, everything understory, and now underwood. Everything means the shrubs growing beneath the taller timber trees. Next is underworld. Underworld is a criminal world. Okay, vagrants are forced into the underworld because they are jobless. Next is the mythical abode. Abode means home. The mythical home of the dead is also called underworld. Okay, imagine as being under the world. Okay, it is imagined as being the devil's place. Okay, god of the underworld. He is the god of the underworld. Next is underwrite. Underwrite is accept a liability or risk under the terms of an insurance policy. That is underwrite. You're writing under you're writing that you will pay back money. You're writing about money to an insurance company. Okay, next is sponsors. Okay, they were willing to undertake in part the construction of ship. So the sponsor, basically you are writing about money matters. Okay, basically you are sponsoring money or you are sponsoring money for a business, or you are sponsoring money for yourself as an assurance in the insurance policy.